nice one. Plan today, dash out, take left wing off, maybe front panel off. Then we can finally crack over a bit of welding. I just didn't want to take one panel off, weld one part, take another panel off, weld another part. I'd just take it all off, assess everything, and go from there kind of thing. Right, we will see how we get on. Quite easily Ford's best steering wheel. This will probably go on the Orion. Just for now. My personal favourite bit of advice of mine is always put a screw back if you can, and you're never going to lose it. A bit hard to find shit sometimes. Oh. Anyhow. Fucking hell, man. Oh, handbrake on my side. Handbrake on my side. Fucking hell, man. Whose idea was this shit? How the fuck do you do that, you fucking mag? Fuck knows. Try to pretend I can't sing fucking French. Damn shit. Remember how I said put all the screws back in? Don't, they just catch on everything. Right. There we are. One shitey old destroyed dashboard, as you can see. Who knows, someone out there might want it. You can fucking have it. See me storing it.
I'ma take the high road, baby, kids don't have a little too much of something terrible. And I'ma let you go down while I walk out. You ain't messing me up like the times before. I don't need to take you to your shit show and knock yourself out and take a new road. Well, I'ma take the high road, take the high road, take the high road.
Left wing off, front panel off, dash off. Now we can finally do a bit of welding on this thing. Cross member's going to be coming off, that's rotten. Little bit in the battery tray, little bit in the gear. No massive terrible bits, just small bits everywhere, unfortunately. Which is a bit annoying. But we're in deep now, there's no going back. Fuck it, man. We'll get there, I'm sure.